Visible Wireless operates on Verizon's network, offering budget-friendly service, but users sometimes face issues like no service, slow data, call failures, or app problems. First, check for network congestion, as Visible is deprioritized during high traffic. If experiencing slow data, ensure you have 3 or more bars of signal strength. Try toggling airplane mode on and off. Verify your APN settings on Android by going to Settings, Network and Internet, Mobile Network, Access Point Names, and ensure it's set to VZ Internet. Restart your device and clear the Visible app's cache. If problems persist, the Visible app includes a diagnostic tool to assess your IMEI compatibility and signal strength. When basic fixes don't resolve connectivity issues, start with updating your device's operating system and the Visible app. Outdated software often causes problems with network connections. For ongoing issues that persist, reach out to Visible support through the 24/7 chat feature in the app. This provides direct access to assistance for complex problems. During major events like hurricanes or outages, activate the app's emergency mode to prioritize text messaging when voice calls aren't possible. Looking ahead, troubleshooting is evolving with AI-driven diagnostics that automatically detect and fix many common issues. Machine learning integration allows apps to predict and prevent problems before they occur, automating many manual troubleshooting steps. With 5G plus deployment, future troubleshooting will emphasize optimizing connections for ultra-fast gigabit speeds and eliminating data interruptions. These advancements will significantly reduce the need for customer service calls by providing automated solutions through intuitive app interfaces.